Guys, welcome back to my IGTV. Now in today's video, as you can see it already, I'm fully decked up for a party makeup look. I'm done with the base makeup. However, my eyes are left because we're gonna do that together, and I have these beautiful eyeshadows which I got from K Beauty's new launch. I am dead seriously. They look so beautiful, and how prettily they're packaged. You know, illustrated artwork that you see here on top is done by Gauravi Sharma, especially for K Beauty. Fab job. And you get this full size mirror inside, which makes it easy to carry around, and you can create looks anywhere, anytime. Okay, so these eyeshadows are launched in 4 versatile variants, different Indian skin tones, different moods, and to create ample looks. First is the K Beauty eyeshadow palette Pure Bloom for peachy and floral hues. Second is the K Beauty eyeshadow palette Bare Soul for that classic nude and smoky looks. Who doesn't like it? Third is the K Beauty eyeshadow palette Wild and Free for those warm tones. And the last one is K Beauty eyeshadow palette Self Love for wine and pink sort of tones. So as you can see, you have a mix of mattes and shimmers in just one palette out of these 9 shades. So you can create daytime soft look or nighttime glam look. It's totally up to you. Okay, so I'm in the mood for self-love today, and looking at the colors, I see, I can create some really good eye looks which can also complement this outfit. So let's do it together. Okay, so let's start with the blush shade. I'll just apply it on the crease area. You have to go very light-handed as these eyeshadows are highly pigmented, which is so good. So once I'm done applying on the crease area, I'll lightly take it towards the lid area as well. And you guys would be wondering कि कोमल base makeup करने के बाद में ये eyeshadow क्यों use कर रहे हो? Because these are smudge proof and they do not transfer at all. They apply very beautifully and the blendability is just wow. Okay, now that I'm done applying the eyeshadow here, I will slightly take it to the lower lash line to balance the overall look. Next, I'm gonna be taking the petal shade. Wow. Shimmer eyeshadows were never this easy to work with. Starting from inner corners, and I'll just blend it smoothly to my transition color. Now I'll just complete the look with eyeliner, stroke of mascara, and maybe falsies. I'll be right back. Apply very beautifully, but they have different eyeshadows to choose from, and all these eyeshadows are paraffin free, mineral oil free, and also dermatologically tested, which means pretty safe to use for everybody. And also these are priced at ₹11.99, which is worth its quality and how beautifully they apply. And all these eyeshadows are exclusively available on Nykaa.com and across all Nykaa stores, so do check it out. Bye.